I don't know how I feel about this.
Tie it.
Oh, tie it?
Yeah, you gotta tie it.
Yeah, do the. I like the eye. I like the eye.
Wait, look at me.
Smile. Hey everyone, welcome back to this week's episode of Friday Fabric Finds. Today is Friday, February the 21st. This is a little series where we like to show you the newsletter and go through and go out in person and show you all the fabric. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
First off, we have the Friday bundle of the week. This week we have the Burlap Texture Friday Bundle. It is a 10-piece fat quarter bundle. There's 10 different colors featured in this fat quarter bundle, and there are patterns such as a subtle woven design going on. So make sure to weave some texture into your quilts with the Burlap Texture Friday Bundle.
Weave because it's burlap. The first collection we would like to highlight is called Sunlit Serenade. It is from Wilmington prints, and for that we have the PDF patterns. We have the Sunlit Serenade Queen Quilt Kits, which is the queen size of 100 by 104. And we also have the assorted yardage with that. This is a very bright and spring type group with patterns such as florals, plaid, blender textures in the color schemes of blue, yellow, and white. Make your projects bright with Sunlit Serenade.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Northcott, is the Highland View collection. This is digitally printed. Also, we just want to note that. This is featuring the Highland Steps quilt kits, the 24-inch panels, and the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are marbled prints of deer, trees, antlers, and blender textures in colors of blue, white, brown, and rust. So make sure to bring the wilderness to your sewing room with Highland View from Northcott.
Next collection is Lucky Stars from Blank. This is a very red, white, and blue themed group. With this, we have the Country Colors wall quilt kits. We have the 36-inch block panels, and we also have the full yard collections. So as I said, it's very red, white, and blue forward with patterns such as stars, florals, paisleys, and stripes. So if you want any maybe July 4th groups coming up or any red, white, and blue for any of your projects, Memorial Day, make sure to let freedom ring with Lucky Stars.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Three Wishes. It is the Purrfectly Playful collection. By the way, we just want to let y'all know that this collection is selling very, very fast, so make sure to hurry on over to our website so you can get you some. This is also digitally printed, and this collection is just featuring the assorted yardage, but the patterns for this collection are cats, yarn balls, bikes, bows, butterflies, and purdy texture, and colors of a rainbow of vibrant colors. Whole lot going on. Make your projects meowgical with Purrfectly Playful.
Next up, we have a sale on the Roundabout Quilt Kit. With this, it is originally priced at $142.96, but we have that on sale for $78.96. I know, insane. So if you're interested in this sale, make sure to spin into savings with the Roundabout Quilt Kit.
Next collection we have for y'all is a batik collection from Riley Blake. It is the Techniques in Dye Batiks from Riley Blake. This is featuring the Abigail's window quilt kits and also the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are gorgeous watercolor batik designs in colors of green, blue, and purple. So make sure to let your creativity flow with Techniques in Dye Batiks from Riley Blake.
Next up, we have a collection called Barista from Northcott. As you'd expect, it is very coffee forward. That being said, this group is selling out quickly, so make sure you hurry and go check it out. With this group, we have the Designer Cups quilt kits, we have the 24-inch apron panels, and we also have the assorted yardage. And as I said before, it's very coffee forward as you would expect, so you can expect things such as coffee pots, cups, beans, some coffee stains, stripes, and also textures. This group has a color scheme of teal, cream, and brown. So if you are ready to get caffeinated or anything of the sorts for your next project, make sure to get your buzz on with Barista from Northcott.
Next, we have the February bargains page for y'all, and that is just where we have a bunch of fabric or other things such as notions, kits, and who knows what else on sale for y'all. And we just want y'all to know to check it daily because we update it daily. So just see what kind of deal you can find on there.
Next up, we want to do our comment of the week. This is a little section where we like to pull a comment from last week's episode and read it to you for this week's episode. We pulled a comment from Joyce Scott 6649, who said, "You guys make me smile. I have ordered from your shop in the past and have been pleased with all purchases." First off, I want to thank you for this wonderful comment and thank you for keeping up with this channel. Thank you for your orders as well. Very appreciative of you being a genuine customer of ours. With that being said, I wanted to say that if y'all want to be featured in next week's comment of the week, make sure to drop your comments down below.
If you enjoyed this week's episode, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications so you get notified every single time we upload a video on here. Also, make sure to leave a comment so maybe you can be featured on next week's comment of the week. Also, follow us on social media. All the links for those are in the description. And with that, we will see y'all next week.
Thanks for watching.